Welcome back, everybody. So, there are people who get excited about new movies, new shoes, lots of other new and different things. And then there is the card collector who gets excited about new card releases. That's what's happened today, as Panini Contenders Draft Picks has been released, and it is kicking out 6 autographs per box. As you can see here, I picked up 2. I'm going to open 1 per video so nobody's stuck watching an ultra long video. There are 18 cards per pack and just 6 packs in each box, so every pack's going to contain an auto. Here's some of the guys that we'll be looking for: Josh Rosen and Baker Mayfield. We'll also be looking for Saquon Barkley. I've opened a couple of boxes of the Elite Draft Picks, and that did not disappoint. So I'm hoping this won't either. With these college guys, you just don't know yet. It's, the unknown is kind of exciting, though, to see how they do. As you can see, this is a licensed collegiate product, so you will, Panini can't. Oh, yes, they can. They've got the NFL contract. Just erase everything I just said there. You're going to see these guys in their college uniforms. Let's leave it at that. Here's our 6 packs. As far as I know, there are no game used. It's going to be autographs only. Although these packs feel super thick, but I guess they should with 18 cards. I pre-ordered these. I expect the price of this product will probably climb a little bit. I don't know how much, but to be on the safe side, I pre-ordered. Here's Colt McCoy, Patrick Mahomes, Donta Foreman, Todd Gurley, Billy Cannon. I like the design. It reminds me of regular Contenders, except for with regular Contenders, the players on the right side of the card, not the left. It seems to be the only major difference here. It still has their stats. Yeah, pretty similar. Let's skip past our first autograph. Hang on to that for a second. Game day ticket, Jamon Moore. And game day ticket, Baker Mayfield. Collegiate Connections, John Kelly and Alvin Kamara. School Colors, James Washington. I don't know I guess that's an insert. Ezekiel Elliott, Old School Colors. I'm not sure if there are any parallels of the base cards or the the inserts. Ozzie Newsome, guess we'll find out in a minute. Dick Butkus, Khalil Mack, Charles White, Mitchell Trubisky, Derek Carr, and our autograph is out of South Carolina, Hayden Hurst. Nice looking auto. I don't think any of these are going to be on card. We'll see. Pack number 2. I'm familiar with Hurst, but I follow SEC football, so I would be. I don't know if the average collector who doesn't follow a lot of college is going to know who most of these guys are. Let's see if I can go ahead and put my auto away here. Set it down. Okay. Dan Marino, Red Grange, Emmitt Smith, Troy Aikman, Johnny Rogers, Brett Favre, Calvin Ridley, game day ticket. He's a good one. Anthony Miller, game day ticket. Calvin Ridley and Nick Saban. Very nice. Very nice for me anyway. A Deion Kane, School Colors, and Barry Sanders, Old School Colors. Sean Alexander, that's a blast from the past. Jameis Winston, Adrian Peterson, Fournette, Clay Helton, and Odell Beckham Jr. And our autograph from this pack is Taven Bryan from Florida. Even with being familiar with the SEC, I don't know this guy. So, okay, moving on. Hopefully he's someone who will turn out to be good. Here's our, okay, there we go. Dalvin Cook, Ray Lewis, Ed Reed, Trevor Siemian, John Hanna, Bo Jackson, game day ticket of Kerryon Johnson, Sony Michel out of Georgia. He's a good one. Hines and Samuels, Collegiate Connections. Darius Geis, another expected to be good. Leonard Fournette, Old School Colors. Jabril Peppers, Adam Thielen, Larry Fitz, Christian McCaffrey, Zeke, and Vince Young. Already piling up some cards here. And our autograph is Daurice Fountain. Daurice Fountain. I do not know Daurice, but maybe I will one day. Next pack. Put my little auto down and go with Matt Ryan, Tim Tebow, Herschel Walker, Barry Sanders, Marcus Allen, Dak Prescott. There's an insert of Josh Rosen, game day ticket. Mark Andrews, game day ticket. Collegiate Connections, Anthony Miller and Riley Ferguson. School colors of Nick Chubb. Nice. Aaron Rodgers, Old School Colors. Julio Jones, Cam Newton, Michael Thomas, Dede Westbrook, Ron Dane, and J.J. Watt. And our autograph from this pack is Jamon Moore. I do know this guy. He is Missouri. Yeah, he's out of Missouri. Wide receiver. Okay, moving on to pack 5. Alright, we've got Randy Moss and Earl Campbell, Tony Dorsett, John Elway, Billy Sims, and Des Bryant. Game day ticket, Ronald Jones II, and game day ticket of Mike White. A Collegiate Connections of Mason Rudolph and James Washington. Luke Falk, School Colors. Dan Marino, Old School Colors. And Aaron Rodgers, LaDainian Tomlinson, Ricky Williams, Eric Dickerson, Tyreek Hill, and Jordan Howard. Our autograph is ooh, Christian Kirk cracked ice to 23. So, and not only is this a good card, it's a good player to get. So this is good. This is a good thing, guys and gals. Very nice. Good. This is really good. Yay. Did I mention that was good? Because it's good. Last pack. Wow. Cracked ice. That looks really good. Very, very nice. And I'm happy of the player it is, too. Alright. Let me set the last one aside and roll on with Matthew Stafford, David Johnson, Kamara, Barry Switzer, Marcus Dupree, LaDainian Tomlinson. Oh yeah, there are parallels in this, just like regular Contenders. This is a bowl ticket. It looks really good. Number 299. Nice, nice, nice. Set that aside. Michael Gallup, Darius Geis, Ronald Jones, and Sam Darnold. Simi Cobbs and Emmitt Smith. Von Miller, Kareem Hunt, Carson Wentz, Mike Rozier, Deion Sanders, and Russell Wilson. And final card, autograph of Jalen Samuels. This is a good one too. Sweet. Alright. Let's do a little recap. Hayden Hurst. Which, now that I've said his name a few times, Wait, I have heard of him. He's South Carolina. Taven Bryan out of Florida. I have not heard of this guy. Daurice Fountain, nor him. Jamon Moore out of Missouri. And the cracked ice, Christian Kirk. What was that, number 2? I don't remember. 23 out of 23. And the LaDainian Tomlinson bowl ticket and Jalen Samuels. Overall, very nice. I would love it if they had parallel or extra versions of the inserts. You get a ton of inserts. It'd be nice to see them in some other format. That's it for this box. I'm going to wrap this up, clear off my table, and move on to box 2. I'll be back in a minute. Thanks for watching.